Alexa, what's an automation?
The noun automation can have a few meanings. 1. The technique, method, or system of operating or controlling a product.
That's enough. Thank you so much, Alexa. If you're like me and you know that a business needs automations or your life needs to be automated, but then when you start to go down that road, it just gets very overwhelming very quickly, as Alexa just showed, then I'm here to kind of break it down and make it easier, more digestible. The truth is, we already use automations in our day-to-day life, maybe without even realizing it. This morning, I woke up to an alarm clock. I didn't trust that the light coming in through the window was gonna wake me up in time to get my daughter to school. I set my alarm clock, and I don't have to set my alarm clock every night because it's on a schedule and I know it's gonna automatically wake me up the same time every morning, and it's never failed me. When it's not worked, it's been my fault. So every software that you have a subscription to, say Clio, you can send their support team a message. And you should, because that's part of the service that you're paying for. So you can just as easily shoot them a message saying, hey, how can I use your service to automate my law firm? I need you to help me figure this out. Lean on the services that you're already paying for and that you're already somewhat familiar with to help you start the ball rolling. Clio, Locus, and Lawmatics have features to automate client intake, document generation, sometimes even storage for the documents that are piling up and taking over your office. Appointment follow-ups. Aptodo, for instance, has really great automated appointment reminders and follow-ups that you can set up in those systems. So the first step is just to look at, okay, what do we already have? What tools are already in our toolbox that we're familiar with using on a day in and day out? And how can we make sure that we are using those to the full so that they're really helping us in our business? If a tool like Zapier is not in your wheelhouse, don't feel bad, don't be embarrassed. Reach out to an expert. They're there on Upwork or Fiverr, looking for an opportunity to do just this one key aspect and help you build your business. These information gathering tasks that you do in your business, try and automate those, and then ask your team, hey, what are the pain points in your day-to-day job? What are the things that you're doing that cause you the most mental stress? And listen to your team. They're gonna tell you what they'd like to have automated. They're gonna tell you the pieces of your business or their day-to-day job that they're the most worried about messing up. And you're gonna already know where they're making mistakes. So start there, and then you can, as you feel more comfortable with automations, build upwards. But a really good foundation is the things that are easy and the things that are painful, and the things that can be done, that have to be done over and over. Now you can start to say, what can I do for business growth? How can I use this to increase profits so that I'm working on my business more than in my business? Well, the number one thing that we would recommend at Bambiz that you automate in your law firm is asking for Google reviews. We've seen a lot of success in our clients who have utilized tools like Zapier to automate the process of asking their clients for Google reviews. The more you ask, the more you receive, and you see that rating and those stars go up, up, up. So if you have any questions about getting this process started, please reach out to us.